Hi guys, today I will be unpacking and testing this new flashlight that I purchased. So this one is Fenix multi-purpose clip-on light. Model is SW05R UV. So there's another model similar to this one, but it is using red light, so white and red, but this one is white and UV. You can see here. The other one is showing red switch. Okay, so some feature is the 200 degrees adjustable beam, then white and UV light sources, as I mentioned earlier, then USB Type-C, so rechargeable battery, then magnetic tail, this part is magnetic, then body clip, I can see here, then lifetime limited warranty, 2 years free repair. So another thing important is 150 lumens and 39 meters maximum beam distance and 700 milliampere hour. So built-in battery. So that's the time it can last. Okay, some more specs here. Okay, I hope you can read through that one. Now I'll just open this one so we can see how it looks. I don't know, maybe you can just how to open this. Probably just I'm struggling a little bit. Probably just cut through here. Yep. Now it's broken. Right. Here's the flashlight, quite small, and probably this one is the cable. Some manuals here, some information. Some commercial other products, then a warranty, probably warranty certificate, and this is the user guide. Okay, so I don't know if this one is charged, so let me try. So this one is magnetic, this part is magnetic, so let's see. So you can see it attached, quite strong. Then you have a clip, you can just clip on your hat or some on your collar. Then this one is movable. Let's see here, 95 to 105. Okay, quite smooth. Then the USB Type-C, so for charging. Then so you have two switches here. So this one is for the white light, so just press, see, then off. I think you can dim it a little bit, so different intensity. To turn off, press a bit longer. Then for the UV, let's test. Yep, now it's UV. I'll try with the money. Okay, I have here a 20 New Zealand dollars. So first, test with the normal light, so the white light. So you cannot see any security here. But I'll try with the UV. Now you can see the showing 20. So I'm not sure what other thing you can see here. Yeah, I don't see anything else, but maybe there's some more, but I'm not really sure. This is quite obvious, it's 20. Okay, maybe that's the only one. Try another one at the back. Maybe this part as well. Okay, anyway, so this UV works. Just on. So just alternate. I think, I'm not sure if you can do this at the same time. No. Keeps on changing. Probably that's it. Anyway, it works. Very nice and very handy to have. Okay, this is again Fenix SW05R UV. Okay, thank you for watching.